All right, second grade. So we already practiced our 111 word and adding vowel suffixes to it. Now we're going to practice the other words that we had in our spelling lesson. And you can go ahead and while we're writing them this first time, put them in your notebook. All right, if you have your notebook. So we're on page 39. And I've got to make sure that we get our words in our notebook every day. So page 39, we're almost finished with lesson F, or list F, and we've got 8 lessons for each list. So on the bottom left-hand corner of page 39, we can start writing our words there. All right. All of these words have a common root. I should have gone over this in our lesson, but I didn't want it to be too long. So all of the words, the other words that we learned, 2, twin, twice, 12, and 20, those all have the same common root. That means they came from the same word originally, and that's the Scottish word for 2, which was twa. So that's why we have the what sound in all of those words, because they've got the same root. And that is a really old word. So the way we pronounce English sometimes changes over time, but our spellings don't change. And so that's why we had to say that 2 was a two-way word, because it used to be pronounced that way, and then over time it's changed. All right, so all of these words are related, and that's why we have the what in all of them, even though it's in our 2 and we don't hear it. All right, so our first word is 2, class. What's the word? Good, 2. But how do we say 2 to spell it? Good, twu. And which oo do we use? Good, we use ah, o, oo. So go ahead and write twu. Say the sounds while you write them. If you want to do it on your practice paper first, because you're not sure, that is always fine. All right, put your pencil down when you're finished. All right, how do we say 2 to spell it? Good, twu. So, and which oo did you use? Good, ah, o, oo. All right, how do we mark this? Excellent, it's silent. And how about this one? Good, it's saying its third sound, so we're going to give it a little 3. All right, the next word is twin. All right, that's a basic code word. There's nothing tricky in there, so I think you can write that all by yourself. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, when you're finished with that, put your pencil down. All right, tell me what I need to write to spell twin. Good. Excellent. And is there anything we need to mark in this word? Nope, since it's basic code and everything is making its first sound, or there's no 2-letter phonograms, there's nothing to mark. All right, we'll move on to twice. What's the word? Good, twice. All right. In our word twice, right, what are the sounds? Good, it's t, w, I, s. But what lets our I say I and our C say s? Good, silent final E, job 1. Write those sounds and say them while you write them. All right, class, tell me what I need to write to spell twice. Good. Good. What? Good. And good, this just says twick, right? We've got to add something to make it say twice. Good. Silent final E job 1, which also makes our k say s. All right, and then all we need to mark there is our silent final E. job 1. All right, the next word is 12. What sounds are we going to write for 12? Good, but what do we have to add? Good, silent final E, job 2. V or U, think job 2. All right, write 12 and say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, what do I need to write to spell 12? Good. Excellent. And good. Can't have this at the end of an English word, so we've got to add our silent final E, job 2. And that's the only thing we need to mark. All right. The last word in our group of related words that come from the same root is 20. What's the word? Good, 20. Oh, this one's 2 syllables. Twin, T. Which E do we use in 20? Good, ya, I-E. Don't forget your syllable break. Write 20, say it while you write it. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in 20 and tell me what I need to write to spell it. Good. 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 And which E is it? Good. Ya, I-E. All right, there's only one thing we need to mark in our word. What is it? Good, our ya, I-E. And how are we going to mark this? Anytime it says E? Excellent. That's its third vowel sound, so it gets a little 3 right on top. All right, nice job with these words, class.